Hi. So we have Iqbal dealt some cards to Mushtaq and himself. So we have Iqbal and Mushtaq. Let's say Iqbal gets I number of cards, Mushtaq gets M number of cards. Now Iqbal then says to Mushtaq, if you give me certain number of cards. So if Iqbal says to Mushtaq that if you give me certain number of cards, let's say X cards, then obviously Iqbal will have I plus X cards and Mushtaq will have M minus X cards. So Iqbal says I will have 4 times as many cards as you have. So from here the number of cards with Iqbal will be 4 times the number of cards with Mushtaq. So we'll have I is equal to 4 into M minus 4x minus x, which is minus 5x. This is what we'll have from the first case. But if I give you, Iqbal says to Mushtaq, instead of you giving me, if I give you X cards, so Iqbal will have I minus X and Mushtaq will have M plus X cards. Now in that case, I will have, yani Mushtaq will have thrice as many cards, sorry, Iqbal is saying to Mushtaq, right? So Iqbal will have thrice as many cards as Mushtaq. So number of cards will Iqbal now, which is I minus X, is equal to thrice of M plus X. So from here I comes out to be 3M plus 3X plus X plus 4X. Okay, this is what we get. Now the question is asking, of the given choices, which could represent the number of cards with Iqbal? What could be the number of cards that Iqbal has? So what we have is, we have these two equations. That's it. Since both of these are number of cards with Iqbal, so let's equate them. So we have 4m minus 5x should be equal to 3m plus 4x. So 4m minus 3m is m and minus 5x goes that side, becomes 9. So m is equal to 9x. Hence the number of cards with Iqbal will be thrice of m, which is 9x plus 4x. Thrice of 9 is 27, 27 plus 4 is 31x. So number of cards with Iqbal is 31 into x. Now since x will be an integer, the number of cards being transferred must be an integer. That means I, the number of cards with Iqbal, must be a multiple of 31. It is 31 into x. So the number of cards with Iqbal must be a multiple of 31. And in the options, the only multiple of 31 is option B. So option B is the correct answer here.